Alaska Science Adventure on PBS Kids with Molly of Denali.
A tornado warning is in effect until on these 5 cities: Florida City, Key Largo, Marathon, Key Largo, and Miami, Florida, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Dun, dun.
PBS Kids video app.
PBS Kids presents a brand new show about a special place that can take you anywhere. The Secret Museum.
Ready for an adventure? Ready!
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum starts Monday, November 11th on PBS Kids.
The Cat in the Hat knows a lot about that. Is made possible in part by a cooperative agreement with the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting's Ready to Learn grant, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Hey kids, want to find out more fun stuff about animals, plants, and, well, fish? Go to pbskids.org for fun games, fascinating facts, and fantastic activities.
The new show, Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum. Coming this fall to PBS Kids.
Ta-da! I built this lab myself. Cool! Wow! Here, I can do all the science experiments I want and keep on learning. It's like a science clubhouse. I like it. Your very own place where you can keep working and learning all about the thing you love. Whatever that is. What is that? I discovered something no one has ever found before. Marie Curie followed her dream, no matter what. I have to get back to the museum.
Xavier Riddle and the Secret Museum. A brand new show starting Monday, November 11th on PBS Kids. And on the PBS Kids video app.
You're watching WPBT 24/7 channel, being just for kids.
PBS Kids.
Coming up next on WPBT 24/7 channel, you'll see Arts Club the movie coming up next. I'm sorry you don't have the teaser coming up next on Arts Club. And enjoy the movie. Bring your family and your kids to see this PG movie.
Arts Squad is made possible in part by
the Heidi Simons Foundation, unlocking knowledge, opportunity, and possibilities, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and viewers like you. Thank you.